Hey guys, Crappy K Sue, another D-Stash. This is going to be a vintage doilies, and I think there is a runner in here and some placemats, I think, but I believe these are all vintage. I got them at, I think some of them I got at a garage sale from a very elderly lady that had passed away in my neighborhood, and then some of them I think I got at an auction. I'm not sure. They may be all from the lady. I'm just not really sure. So let me show you the first thing. These are, I'm thinking these are placemats. They're crochet placemats. I got them, or she, yeah, this is from that lady. She's got them pinned, but aren't they pretty? Look at that. And I don't know if she did these. She may have, because she had a lot of this stuff in her house. They did an estate sale for her, and I actually met her a couple of times. So there's 4 of these. They're all the same. Okay. And then this looks like something you would put on a shirt, like the back of a shirt. You know how they wore those? And I cannot get my... This is as far back as I can get this, but you see how that goes? Like on the back of a nice I'll call it a shirt, you know, the ladies that wore back in the day. The back, I forget what it's called. It's on the back of the shirt, and I know it's I don't know, but anyway, if you don't want it to keep or to, you know, something like that, you may be able to cut these flowers out and use them for crafting or something. I don't know. I don't know if that would make it come unraveled or not, but there's that. Okay, and then here is a small runner. I'm thinking maybe, well, it probably is not a runner. Maybe on the back of a couch or something like that. It's not that long. It's probably, hang on, not measure it. Maybe 20 inches long, 20 inches long, and 12 inches wide. But it's got a bunch of these things here you could probably cut too and use them for scrapping. I just don't use a whole lot of this kind of stuff. So there's that one. Okay, and here is one. I don't know if this one's vintage. She might have done it or not, but this is something like I've seen back in the 70s. I forget how long it is till it's vintage. It's a vintage 80, 70 something. But it's with the frillies, it's about 14 inches diameter. Does have a little bit of that old type staining. Actually, there's a piece of tape. That's a piece of what do you call that tape? Huh. So, but anyway, it does have a little bit of the staining from being old, I guess. Alright. And then there is this is a table runner, because this one's very long. I'll just let you see the pattern here. Maybe to see the pattern with it being the same color. You see that better? I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, that's the pattern, but it is me see. Ooh, it's long. Let's see. 12, 24, 30, 48 inches long and about 12 inches wide. And it would need wash too. It's got a little bit of that old-timey staining, vintage staining, okay? Alright, and now I have a bunch of doilies here, and they're all different kind. There's this one, and see this again, you could cut and use the little flowers. Oh, here's this side, here's this side. Okay, and here's the whole thing. Can you see it? And this one is about 12, 15 inches maybe diameter. And this is a little white one. There we go. Okay. And here's one that looked like it belongs with something. It's only got four little, can you see it better with it down? Four little flower looking things. Okay. And then here's another one. These are cute. These little flowery things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 little flower thingies. And then let me put these over here. And there's that one. Okay, and then I have three of these. Okay, so 3 of those. And then I have this one. There. And then this last one here. It's got all kind of ruffly stuff on it. Whoever did it, I mean, I don't know what they put it on to use it, but it's really ruffly on the end, so it's almost too hard to get it to lay out the way it's supposed to. There we go. You see that? I hope y'all are able to see these things. Really ruffly. So, I've never sold these type things before, so I really don't know what to ask for it. So if you'll make me an offer, I have, let's see, and I don't know about the shipping either. I guess I should have figured all that out when I could probably get this in one of those padded envelopes. And I think those are $8 now. So take in consideration shipping, $8 plus this stack. And just tell me what you would offer for this, and then plus the $8 for shipping. And just let me know. Alrighty? Alright, thank you so much. Bye.